What's going on, y'all? So today we have a couple of things to do. I'm gonna go get some stuff for a video camera, so we're gonna head over to like an electronics store, and of course we're going to check out the Subaru. So let's go. There are literally no electronic stores by my house, so we're in a ginormous Walmart right now. Alright, y'all, so we got away with a tripod here. I don't know how good it is, but hey, it's a tripod. And got a battery charger for the camera I'll be using, because I couldn't find a charger for it. It's for this guy here. So hopefully I'll get some nice high quality video for y'all. So this battery charger that I got for this camera comes with a car charger also. So I'm gonna charge it up while we drive over to the Subaru. Battery charger works. Alright, y'all, so they're super busy here at Fifth Gear Automotive right now, so what I'm gonna do is run home. I'm gonna grab something, then I'll come back. Maybe they'll be a little bit more slow by that time, but I did take a look in my car. I don't have the keys, but I took a look in my car from the window, really dirty window here, and I saw that there is the DC-CD controller in the car, which, if they have the DC-CD controller in, that probably means that they have all of the wiring, because they said they would do the DC-CD controller and then hardwire everything all at once, all the wires. That was a Ford Edge. If you peek through this dirty window, you can see right there is the DC-CD controller, that knob in the center. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head home, grab something, then I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, so I'm putting the front lip in the Jeep, grabbing some hardware and gonna throw a drill in there, and then we're gonna head that way and install this front lip. So let's go. Alright y'all, so I got some hardware here and the drill. We're gonna throw everything in this lip here in the Jeep, and then we'll head over to the Subaru and get it installed. And we're off. I've been in rush hour traffic for like an hour now with no air conditioning, and I think I'm gonna have a freaking heat stroke. All right, we're finally here at Fifth Gear Automotive. Oh my gosh, the rush hour traffic with the no air conditioning in the Jeep, not really the move. But now we're gonna see if this lip fits, and if it doesn't, I'm probably gonna cry. All right, time for the moment of truth. See if this fits. All right, so it looks to me that my bumper is a little bit wider than this lip, but I think we can make it work and make it look as best as we can make it look. So let's just go ahead and try to install so let's go ahead and install this lip, or try our best. Got it onto the bumper here, and as you can see, I think that it's gonna work pretty well, and I think it needs to come like this way a little bit more on this side here. Well, yeah, see, it wasn't all the way in, but see over on this side, it's sticking out a little bit more, so I'm gonna try to put it this way a little bit, and I think it'll work pretty well. The end of the splitter, or the lip rather, kind of sticks out this much on either side. So what I'm thinking maybe is I'll just like Dremel this part off. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like keep an end on here, but this lip is just plastic. It's not anything fancy like fiberglass or anything, carbon, nothing like that. So it should be pretty easy to work with. It just kind of bothers me that it sticks away from the bumper about that much on either side. But other than that, as you can see, it's looking pretty good. It actually fits pretty well. So this splitter is for like an 06 STI, because they don't make them for the wagon, so it actually fits pretty well. I'm not disappointed with it. Alright y'all, so it's kind of loud in here, but this is the rear subframe and rear differential and everything from the STI that's going in my car. They've got it in and they're waiting to put it on the rack and shove that thing in. So shoot, it's got a tiny little sway bar on it. But that's really good news, and hopefully I'll get my car back soon. So it's a little bit overcast right now. The sun finally decided to go behind some clouds for a little while, and I'm so happy because this thing, the air conditioning blows hot and it's not good, and I've been sweating all day long. It looks pretty good. It's pretty tight on here, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. So if you have a WRX wagon, I highly recommend buying the 06 STI front lips because they fit the best on these cars, I've heard. So everywhere I've read for the lips on forums and such like Naziok, they all say go 06, 07 STI. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and head home because it's looking like it's about to rain. These clouds behind me right here. So let's try to get home before it rains because this thing has the top halves of the doors off. And yeah, I'm super excited. I got the parts in from the STI. They're just waiting to swap in. And I got that lip installed and it's looking pretty good. So let's just go ahead and head home. I call this a pretty productive day. Alright y'all, so I'm super stoked about how the front lip turned out. It was a pretty easy install, it went in fairly easily, and it fits pretty well, other than like sticks out about this much past the bumper on either side. But otherwise I think it fits really well, and I'm super excited about the way it fits and looks on the car. So I'll show y'all a quick before and after of what it looks like with and without the front lip. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a really good time making it. Super excited again about that front lip. Looks really good. So stay tuned for more content. I got that video camera and some new equipment for y'all. Make some really high quality video. Make sure to stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay tuned for more. Hit the like button if you liked the video, and as always guys, take care and stay positive.